Tokyo Disneyland calling. Today I show you the best Tokyo Disneyland partner hotel and also a little snoop around the Disney shop and the Tokyo version of Disney Village. I don't know even where to start. I arrived at Tokyo Bay, Maihama, Tokyo Disneyland area, and I just checked into my hotel, the Grand Nikko Tokyo Bay Maihama, and I am blown away. I will give you now a room tour, and then we are together exploring this hotel. But guys, this is beyond expectation, beyond expectation. But let me start with the room tour. This is where you come in, obviously. Also, how nice. Come in and you have me, hello, and there's the room, and you have loads of storage, and you even get some slippers, and I mean loads of storage. Look at that. And also I saw that in a couple of hotels now they have this air freshener, which usually smells really good. Oh yeah, oh nice. I mean, look at this assortiment with a kettle and drip coffee and tea, and we have a fridge, and they also give you some water bottles. I'm so impressed. I mean, I'm not used to staying in a luxury kind of hotel, so I'm super impressed. This is the bathroom, and look what they give you. This is so nice. Like, I have no words. Is this for the hair? It is for the hair. And they also give you a toothbrush and a razor, shower cap, cotton hairband, bath salt to can have a bath, and body towel. There is a hair dryer. And then here is the bathtub and also the toilet. And this is of course one of the famous Japanese toilets, which I will miss a lot when I'm coming home. Let me tell you that. Like heated seat, the bidet, front rear water pressure. This very nice room with two large beds, which is great for me, and this very friendly, springy kind of decor. Also very big room. This is air conditioning, and then we have this very nice desk area, a very nice coffee area, and this is, I mean, I cannot even. We have a balcony. I mean, we have a balcony. There's a balcony. Guys, can we look at this? This is the Toy Story Hotel. Next to it is the Hilton Bayside. And then you have the Tokyo skyline over there. And the sea. And we have to explore a little bit more of this area. This is so beautiful. I mean, even if you're not going to the park, this is so beautiful. And I need to show you the lobby because the lobby is also awesome. They do have a pool, as you see here. There is a pool, but we have to figure out how that works with the pool. Because in Japan, the pool times are restricted and they also charge you extra if you want to go to the pool. So this is not like Orlando, but as we have Orlando temperatures, I would love to figure out how to go to the pool. I also got breakfast vouchers for the time I'm here. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, so I got breakfast vouchers. Can I put you here? No, I cannot. Okay. And they have two breakfast restaurants. They have a Western style, which is called Le Jardin, the garden. You're welcome. Japanese and Western buffet, 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. But you actually have to scan in the morning and reserve a time because it's getting very busy. And then they have also Edo style morning sushi breakfast where you don't need a reservation because it's not as busy as the Western style breakfast. And you can use those breakfast vouchers also to go to lunch or dinner instead of breakfast. I'm very happy. I will take you now to the lobby and we explore a little bit. And then we are taking the monorail and just, you know, figure out the whole Disney area. It's so beautiful. Like what I saw on the way here, it is so beautiful. No kidding. So beautiful. I'm on the 6th floor in room 614. And it also smells really good. And this, guys, is the lobby. Isn't this unreal? I don't think the camera is doing it any justice, actually. Like, what the fuck? Look at this. And there is a cute little Disney gift shop, which of course is drawing me in. Oh my god. Look at those ears. New items. This is so cute. Guys, we haven't even entered the park and I could already spend so much money. Look at this. Everything is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Discussion. BMX Baobahn. Tomato soup. Oh. Guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Also those ears are really pretty. I love them. And they have t-shirts as well. Very nice. And underwear. Okay. Very niche. I hereby inform you officially that I will need a second suitcase. I mean, look at this. Mickey gets breakfast in bed. And then they have another gift shop where they have more art and figures. And oh gosh, look at this. Look at this lobby area. There's a little restaurant. Oh, and this is Le Jardin, where we have the breakfasts. Guys, this place is huge. What is happening here? There's another eating place, but everything is closed right now till dinner at 5:30. So, but I'm hungry now, so I think about taking the monorail, going to Ikspiari, Maihama station, and then get some food there. This is a bridal shop here. I mean, look at this, guys. Not a very exclusive venue. I see that this is a great wedding location. Actually, I know where I'm going because this is the way I came in, and then I was lost when I came in. But now, at least I know the way out. Monorail. This is the happiest little monorail, actually. We are walking now to the Bayside station, which is very close, and then oh, maybe I need something to drink. Yeah, and then we make our way back to the I'm sorry, I'm distracted. I need some sugar. To the train station and the shopping district over there. So here's the Hilton. And this blue is the Toy Story Hotel. And now we are going to the Monorail station. So this was like a 5-minute walk, not even, and we are passing now by the Fantasy Springs Hotel, which is, of course, new. And right behind us, Monorail. I love this happy little monorail. So here between the trees is the new Fantasy Springs Hotel. This is the entrance to Disney Sea, but I think exclusively only for hotel guests. And here's the Bayside station, the Monorail station. And this is where we are heading now. Also, there go shuttle buses if you don't want to walk.
Our next stop is Tokyo Disney Station. We are now arriving at Tokyo Disney Sea Station.
Okay, we arrived at Maihama station and Ikspiari, which is not quite as Disney Village. It's more like shopping mall. I'm on the hunt for something to eat because I'm very hungry, and also I want to explore the area. Look how cute this is. Looks a little bit like an outlet center or something. So I came in a little restaurant. I chose the one that has no English signs or whatsoever. Only locals in here, and I ordered something that looked like pork and very delicious, so I'm very curious what's happening now. Life is an adventure, you have to embrace it. They also gave me this. I have no idea what this is. Tofu and miso soup. Good. Be adventurous, guys. Be adventurous. You only live once. The little tofu appetizer was very delicious, actually. I also got a ginger ale because I love ginger ale. Now I'm very curious about the food. Then I might want to get some ice cream. Okay guys, this is my food. Pork belly and an egg. I have no idea how to eat this. This is good food. nice, we found the Disney store. Would like to get an ice cream or something else sweet after this quite adventurous pork situation. And then we are checking out the Disney store. Of course we are checking out the Disney store. I mean, it would be rude not to, right? I don't think it's getting much better here. There is a Godiva shop, and they have this lovely white chocolate matcha drink that I will try now. A sweet shop that is called Chubby Airlines is my kind of humor. Also very insta. No one is surprised that I'm lost again. We are going to the Disney shop now. Not to Chubby Airlines. I'm already the captain of Chubby Airlines. So, the moment you forget about any financial responsible decision you need to make. They have those kind of backpacks. So many different popcorn flavors. Okay, all those teddy bears. More teddy bears. So we have Disney character teddy bears. This is really cute. Look at this little Simba one. Lion King. Minnie. I have no idea what's going on with matcha and pudding, but this is really cute. Look at this. So cute. Everything is just so cute. Look at Pooh. I want everything. My gosh. It's a huge Dumbo. We have stickers. Honestly, this is pretty awesome. They have a rainforest buffet, there are shops, there's a cinema. Look at the sky. This reminds me a lot of the entrance in Disneyland Paris to the Disneyland Studio Park. But this is bigger and cooler. I like this concept, especially when you are in a place where it's raining a lot, like Tokyo, obviously. Pretty cool. Also, I am a little bit disappointed. I was under the impression I could just buy another cute Disney suitcase. But so far, neither here nor in the hotel, I didn't see any suitcases. So probably that is a fail. So we have extremely cute merch there. I'm really curious how this is comparing to what is in the parks then. But we will find out, I guess, right? I'm taking the monorail now back to the hotel. I think I will just chill for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to Tokyo Disneyland and I cannot wait to take you with me, and I will see you real soon. Bye!